Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In some big news out of the financial world, the Securities Commission has announced they are studying the possibility of allowing local brokerage firms to facilitate trading on international stock exchanges. This could open up a whole new world of investment opportunities for everyday investors like us. What exactly does this mean, and what kind of overseas markets and companies might we be able to access? In this video, we'll dive into the details and implications of this announcement. By the end, you'll have a better understanding of how this could impact your investment portfolio down the road. Let's get started. According to the news report, the Securities Commission stated they are studying the possibility of licensing brokerage companies to trade in shares on international stock exchanges. This is a significant development, as currently, individual investors in our country have very limited options when it comes to investing directly in overseas markets. Most of us can only access international stocks and funds through more indirect methods like ETFs or mutual funds. But if the Securities Commission moves forward with this plan, it would theoretically allow local brokerage firms to provide direct market access. Investors like you and me could potentially open accounts and start trading stocks listed on exchanges in places like the United States, Europe, or even emerging markets. This could open the door to a whole new universe of investment opportunities. Companies, sectors, and even entire economies that were previously off-limits could suddenly become accessible. Just imagine being able to buy shares of tech giants like Apple or Amazon, or getting exposure to fast-growing markets in Asia or Africa. Of course, the specific investment options that would become available remain to be seen, but there are certainly some intriguing possibilities worth considering. For example, the Iraqi stock exchange has been garnering increased international attention in recent years as the country's economy has stabilized and grown. Companies like Asiacell, one of the leading mobile operators, or Babylon Bank could present interesting investment cases for more adventurous investors. Or we may see the ability to access major global indexes like the FTSE 100 in the UK, the DAX in Germany, or the Nikkei 225 in Japan. Being able to buy into these broad, diversified baskets of blue-chip international stocks could be an appealing way to get exposure to different economies and sectors. There's also the potential to find unique or niche opportunities that aren't easily accessible through traditional domestic investment channels. Things like up-and-coming renewable energy companies in Europe, innovative fintech firms in Asia, or even commodity producers in Africa. Of course, investing in overseas markets does come with its own set of risks and considerations. Currency fluctuations, political instability, and differences in regulations are just some of the factors investors would need to carefully evaluate. But for those willing to do the research, the potential rewards could be significant. All in all, the Securities Commission's announcement about potentially opening the door to international stock trading is an exciting development for investors in our country. It could unlock a whole new world of investment possibilities and diversification opportunities. Of course, we'll have to wait and see how this all unfolds. But it's definitely something worth keeping an eye on. Who knows, you may soon be researching the next big Iraqi tech startup or European renewable energy leader to add to your portfolio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.